everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually have something pretty exciting to film. I'm going to be trying out and reviewing the first AI nail lamp. I'm pretty excited about this, honestly. This is what it looks like. This is from O Nail. So it says it's really important for skin health because the AI recognition prevents UV harm to the skin, and it apparently, like as per the picture, just focuses on the nail itself and not anything else, not the skin around it, nothing, which is cool because if it's all that power going directly towards your nails, like things will cure faster. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna work. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it up and see how it is. So here she is. Okay, so taking off the plastic, and at first glance, it's honestly kind of cute. There's like, the little buttons are little gems. It's pretty cute, honestly. I don't know what I was expecting. I was just, you know, expecting every standard issue lamp, like they all pretty much look the same. But this one is like really nice. It's like sleek, connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, so apparently you can connect it to Wi-Fi to help AI learn. It becomes better to use. I don't know in what regards, but let's find out. Here's the base plate. I'm super pumped about this. There's like a little screen on the front. I think this is like to show you kind of like what's going on underneath. Holy moly, look at all the little lights in the bottom. So there's a lot of lights under there, and oh, they have lights on the sides as well. So because a lot of my girlies have trouble curing their thumbs, so this apparently is supposed to combat that. Like if I'm looking now, it actually really shines the light like underneath, which is really nice. So I'm gonna put the base plate on right now, and then I'm gonna, oh, I think it's just magnet. There's a little volume, there's an AI button. How do I turn this shit on now is the question. Am I old? Like, I'm not too bright. It's not plugged in. I'm so used to my lamp being wireless. Okay, so we got it going now. So this is what it's looking like so far. There's like a light on top right here. I don't know if it reads on camera, but it's starting up. It says world-class luxury nail O Nails. Okay, so it says that I don't have a battery in it. So I'm assuming that these batteries are for it to be wireless. Okay, it's talking to me, so that caught me so off guard. Listen, this is weird, okay? This is like the first of its kind apparently, so I don't know what to expect. What happens if I put my hand in it? Should we try it?
Hey, our AI target nails. Keep skin cell from UV for you.
Oh! Okay, it shows my hand inside. So it says UV on nails, no skin contact, no heat, no pain, skin health. So, oh, cool. Okay, so the deeper I go into the lamp, like some of the lights turn off because it senses where your hand is or where your nails are specifically. It'll capture that part. So there's like lights here. So if my nails are only showing in this part, only these lights are gonna turn on, but the rest won't because it's just like a waste of power. So that's pretty exciting. I mean, I definitely want to try out a little bit of I'm just going to do like a top coat just because I want to test out, you know, how it cures. It feels warm in there. Like definitely when it's curing, it feels pretty warm. Oh, you know what? I'm also going to do my thumb because I want to see how it cures my thumb. Usually I have pretty good luck with that anyways, but I'll try to like leave it in a way where I don't lift it to help with curing. Okay, so I did top coat my middle. I top coat my middle and my thumb for you guys, so I'm gonna put it back in the lamp and we're gonna see exactly what happens here. It shows these green squares around my nails, so you can really see it's like detecting the nail itself. Like it's not glowing over my skin, so I mean obviously there's still light touching the skin, but I mean it's probably a lot less. Usually it's a full lamp full of lights that are hitting your hands constantly, so this one is better for that. That's what it's advertised as. Center the nails, please. So okay, so it'll tell you if your nails aren't straight, it's gonna be like, be for real, fix it, you know, which is interesting. Oh yeah, they're dry. So upon looking online, it does say that this doesn't function with Wi-Fis that have like a dual band router. It only works with a 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth or whatever. So if you have a 2.4 and a 5 gigahertz, so it's like the smart routers or whatever, it's not gonna work. So you'd have to go into your router settings, disconnect temporarily the 5 gigahertz section, just so you could have your 2.4 gigahertz and then it should work. But honestly, that's a lot of work. I'm not gonna do all that today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I didn't get to all the features of this little thing, but I'm hoping I can do that for you guys on shorts and reels. But other than that, I do hope that you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, and if you like me, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!